This is one of the many reasons why it was one of my top choices for my au pair stay, because I think if you're moving out of your family home for the first time, it's nice to know that you will be looked after and become part of a family. Hi, my name is Chloe and today I am here with AuPairWorld to talk to you about the 5 reasons why you should become an au pair in Italy. I was an au pair in Italy for a year, living in Pescara and Milan, two very different cities. I think that that's one of the main beauties of living in Italy, is it's such a diverse country with so many different cities. From beach towns to large cities, it really does have it all. So whatever type of person you are and whatever kind of experience you're looking for, Italy will have a city or a town that would be suitable for you. As living in Italy is so affordable, it also gives you more opportunity to travel around the country and see all of the cities you'd like to visit. One of the main reasons I decided to go to Italy was because I thought it was a great opportunity to learn a new language. Every city I stayed in offered great language courses, some of which are free and some you will have to pay for. This is also a fantastic opportunity to make new friends with other expats. Through attending a language school, I made lots of new friends from all over the world, and it was a really great way to immerse myself in the language, as everyone there spoke a different language and was from a different country. As you'll be living with the family, this gives you plenty of opportunity to practice your newly learnt language skills. One of the reasons why Italy is such a popular au pair destination is because of its wonderful culture, and living with a host family is such a great way to really experience this. There is so much to see and learn whichever city you stay in. Another reason which attracts people to staying in Italy for their au pair stay is of course the fantastic food. From pasta to pizza to ice cream, there is something for everyone, and also it's a great place to learn how to cook. Some of the best cooking lessons I have ever had have been from my host family and their relatives. The best food in the world in my opinion, and I learned how to cook so many amazing dishes while I was there. Italy is also known for their family values. I think becoming an au pair in Italy is a lovely opportunity to really feel part of a family. This is one of the many reasons why it was one of my top choices for my au pair stay, because I think if you're moving out of your family home for the first time, it's nice to know that you will be looked after and become part of a family. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to AuPairWorld.